This is a very popular place for hang gliders and paragliders. They backpack up to the top of the mountain and launch their equipment and jump or take off. If we're lucky, we see them doing at the top. From my experience, they usually hike up in the afternoon and then do it in the afternoon. It's still morning, so I don't see any of them coming up yet, maybe in the afternoon. Here it is, we are here at the top of the mountain. Look at the view, so nice. Well, I don't see any hang gliders or paragliders here yet. Hopefully they're coming up later. People picnic here, we can picnic here, enjoy the view. So this is the spot where they launch their equipment and prepare themselves to take off, and they take off here. You can hire a tandem to do paragliding or hang gliding with you. You don't have to prepare anything. You come here, you're gonna meet with some tandems that offer you some deals, and they have their equipment for you to use, and also themselves as tandems. There are usually a minibus here to take people up here from the trailhead down there. You can ride with the bus, or you can just hike up and have the bus carry your equipment up here. I believe the price was like $5 each person each way last year, 2019. But because of the COVID-19, so there's no bus. Yep, you have to backpack all your stuff up here yourself. So now we're gonna go down. It's kind of steep, a little steep, but doable.